Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Dimple Willabus, and I'm a candidate running for New York City Council in District 46. District 46 covers Mill Basin, Marine Park, Mill Island, Georgetown, Flatlands, Canarsie, Sheepshead Bay, Gadsden Beach. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. But it's a very big and very diverse community. One of the reasons why my husband and family and I moved here was because of the diversity here in southern Brooklyn, District 46. One of the important things about this campaign is that, several things, but most importantly right now is that, the inclusion and equity aspect of it is critical to our community. A lot of us who come to this community are from, our immigrant community, and we come from different countries, and it's very important for me that we have that inclusion, especially as a woman and an immigrant woman coming to run for office is extremely important for me. In the City Council, there are only 12 women who are sitting in a seat out of 51. So it's important that we have that proper representation and for women like me and you to be in the City Council. Now, there's ranked choice voting, and ranked choice voting simply means that you rank the candidates based on your thinking of who you think might be the best person to represent you in your district. So if you're thinking that Dimple Willabus is your number one, which I'm hoping I am, coincidentally, I'm actually number one on the ballot. So when you're about to vote in District 46, I'm literally number one on the ballot. And if you think Jane Smith is the person that you like best or second, then you put Jane Smith as number two. And if you think Pam Jones is number three as the third choice, then that's how you ranked up the candidates. In regards to tonight's event, we're just having our office opening, and this headquarters opening is very much of something that is very unique, is historical, because it's 21,000 square feet of space, and the purpose of this space is not just to have an office for our volunteers, but as a community space to have the voices of the community heard. Usually candidates would travel the district and talk to people, the residents, but for us, we want to include the community to come in here and have a voice to voice their concern, whether it be about domestic violence, inclusion of languages into our curriculum, because many of us who come to this country do not speak English as our first language. We speak Urdu, we speak Spanish, we speak Russian, we speak different languages. So it's extremely important that we have someone like myself who's an immigrant who understands the concern and the needs of the community to be included in the City Council. Right now, there's no one that looks like me in the City Council. There's a need for inclusion, and we, the South Asian community, also contribute very big to the business community and otherwise. And it's only important and right that we have a seat at the table to be included. Why would you vote for me? In my opinion, in our community, I'm like you. I actually experience some of the inequities that exist, the exclusion, and for me as a candidate, I know I'm the best person because I've experienced some of the hardships that the very community have experienced, like the exclusion, not having a voice. And it's so important for us to have new leadership. In this very community, in the City Council District 46, there's been just a select few of people who've actually been representing us over the decades. And it's time for new leadership and new opportunities, and like I said, for my campaign, a new vision. So those are some of the reasons why, because we need that newness, we need that freshness, we need that inclusion, and we need the funding from the City Council to be spread out, whereby all of our community is benefiting from it, and not just one community. Thank you.